Hi, here's a question on cycle geometry. You can see there are parts with the letters A, B, C. This line is a tangent to the circle, and we have the circle B, D, E, F. Circle B, D, E, F. Now we have two items to calculate. The first is EBF. EBF is like this: E, B, and F, and that's the angle where the middle letter is, the point where the middle letter is, and BGF is located at point G. B, G, and F, and that's this angle. So we have this angle and this angle to find. Now here's what we do. For the first, we have, now we leverage on the theorem which states that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So it's given that this point is the center and we have the diameter, then it means the angle at point D is a right angle. We could call it like this: EDB. Angle EDB is 90 degrees. And so we would want to find angle EDG. You can as well call it angle EDF. And here's how it goes. Angle EDF is equals 90 degrees minus 66 degrees, because the two angles make up to a right angle. Now this gives us 24 degrees. Now here is the next theorem that gives us the first item we're looking for. Angle EBF is equals angle EDF, and the reason is simple: angles in the same segment. Now here's what to do. The lines that formed angle EDF, they halted at E and F. As well, the lines that formed angle EBF halted at B and E, E and F. And so this angle and this angle are the same. That means angle EBF is equals 24. You got it right. Angle EBF is equals 24 degrees. Now moving on to the second part, we would want to find angle BGF. Here's a theorem we'll work with. It's called alternate segment. Now here's what we will do. Angle 57 is equals angle BFD. That's the angle here at this point. The reason being that the alternate segment claims that the angle between a chord and a tangent, the angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate, that's the other segment. And so a chord separates a circle into segments. You have this chord, and then from this part we have the minor segment, which is smaller than this other part, which is called the major segment. And the angle in this segment is this. Well, this angle, we also have this angle. These two are the same. But we're looking for angle BGF. Now here's what to do. Angle BFD, or you can call it BFG, is equals 57, and the reason is 57 degrees. It's called alternate segment. Now the next thing you want to do is, since we have angle FBE or EBF as 24, then we'll just go ahead to find angle BGF. Angle BGF is equals 180 minus 57 plus 24 degrees. And the reason is the sum of angles in a triangle. You have a small triangle here. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So you have 180 minus, you have 57 plus 24 to be 81, and 180 minus 81 is 99 degrees. And there you go. Please do well to subscribe. You can as well follow the TikTok channel. Please don't hesitate to subscribe. my YouTube channel. And you can follow us on Facebook. You can as well follow us on LinkedIn. You can follow us on Instagram. Thank you.